In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho Bookings with CRM. By the end, your appointments will flow straight into your CRM, so your leads, contacts, and follow-ups stay organized without manual entry. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into Zoho with an account that has admin or integration permissions in both Bookings and CRM. Start by opening your Zoho Bookings dashboard in your browser. Once you're in the main dashboard, look up to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the settings icon. This is where all the configuration options live, including integrations that connect bookings with your other tools. Click the settings icon to open the admin area. In this section, find the integrations area. Depending on your layout, it might be in the main panel or listed in the sidebar. If you don't immediately see it, scroll a bit. Integrations is typically grouped alongside other system level options. Inside integrations, look for the category labeled Most Popular. This view surfaces the most commonly used apps, and Zoho CRM should appear there as one of the top options. Selecting this category makes it faster to find the CRM connector without searching through the full catalog. On the Zoho CRM tile, click Connect. This starts the secure authorization process so bookings can talk to your CRM. A new window will open from Zoho's authentication service. If you manage multiple organizations or portals, confirm you're authorizing the correct one before proceeding. On the authorization screen, review the requested permissions. These allow bookings to create and update records in your CRM so that scheduled appointments can automatically create or update leads, contacts, or events. You may see a small checkbox to confirm consent or to acknowledge the access being granted. Check that box to proceed, and if you're prompted to confirm a region or data center, make sure it matches your organization's location. Click Accept to authorize the connection. After a moment, you'll be redirected back to Zoho Bookings, and the integration status should show as connected. From here, you can fine-tune how data syncs by opening the CRM integration settings in Bookings. This is where you typically choose whether bookings create leads or contacts, map fields like name, email, and phone, and align services or staff with CRM owners for accurate assignment. If you run into issues, verify that your role has permission to authorize integrations and that you're logged into the correct portal. Once connected, create a quick test appointment to confirm a matching record appears in CRM. That's it. Your systems are now working together to keep your pipeline updated automatically.